devastated by Hurricane Harvey in Texas. They still need our help as well.
Can't forget about them. And so this morning, Hoosiers Helping Houston. That campaign kicks off all across central Indiana. And our Carlos Diaz is live for us at the Kroger in Speedway with information on how you can help. Good morning, Carlos.
Good morning, Ben. Yeah, Hoosiers Helping Houston it's a combined effort between local businesses, local faith-based areas, and also local media. And it all starts with Kroger. You can drop off different items, which we'll go over in a second, at different Kroger locations, which we'll show you in a second. Then those items will be placed in this huge FedEx semi, and it'll be taken down to Houston to help the people that have been devastated by Hurricane Harvey. Let's show you right now what you can donate and what you should donate. Only 5 different items that they're asking for at the Kroger locations. You can see the Kroger locations right there on your screen. The 5 items that we're talking about are baby wipes, baby diapers, packaged snacks with expiration dates after September 30th, juice in non-glass containers, and bottled water. These are essential.
These items are the most essential items needed in Houston. Our plan is to package them on pallets, put them on these 53-foot trailers that have been donated by FedEx and Lucas Oil, and at a later date that will be determined with our partners at the Red Cross, we will deliver them down to Houston.
These items will be collected today, Friday, and Saturday at area locations, at Kroger locations across the area from 8 a.m. until 8 p.m. And like I said, they're going to be put in this FedEx truck right here and taken down to Houston. So we've got a lot of room. We need all of your help. Please stop by. We're in the Speedway location right now off of Crawfordsville Road. This is one of the 4 locations that you can come to. If you need more information, you can go to WTHR.com. We'll be here all morning long. Hoosiers Helping Houston. It's a great effort to help those affected by Hurricane Harvey. Guys?
No doubt about it. So easy to do. You don't have to buy much. A little bit goes a long way for sure. Carlos, thank you very much. We'll check back.